So Tuesday, May 26th, and we've kind of put a hold on the wide gauge Bombardier here for the time being. The temperature rose significantly over the last couple of days, and I want Dad to acclimatize to the heat a little bit. And Aidan hasn't been around, so he's got a couple days off here. So we got our other guy here, Koop. He's helping out Dad, and but it's spring has sprung and the weather is hot, and so before we move this out, we had to get some parts in, and we're still waiting on some stuff. But in the meantime, our old apprentice rolled in his trailer here for a rebuild, and Dad's busy here with Koop putting in new boards for the trailer, and they're just doing a trailer overhaul here. They're going to put new bearings and whatnot onto the trailer as well, getting everything cleaned up. So this was completely stripped yesterday, and when I showed up yesterday, Dad just had me on potato detail. I don't know what the hell he's doing right now. I'm thinking he's going to cut grass with a small push lawnmower. Hopefully he's just testing it out. But he's been cleaning out the Bombardier shed to put some stuff away as well. And we're stacking up some brush here to get it all the way to the dump. Good news is, well, the other side of that red Bombardier is the green Bombardier. It got fully paid off today. And but the big dogs must be out doing something here today, because they're not at the shop for treats. Koop is just busy cleaning up at the end of the day here, and well, that's what Dad's doing. He's just washing the lawnmower. So yeah, there's not too much going on here. Nina Pinta Santa Maria, she just wants to say hi to Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Jeff Anderson and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson. She just loves the shop. But the big dogs aren't here, and like I said, we're not really doing too much right now. I haven't really been progressing the last 3-4 days on the wide gauge Bombardier in the shop right now. Just still missing some parts that have to come in. And I know everything's working on the back here now, but they got to get a few more parts in so they can move it out of the shop. I want them doing the rest of the sanding outside, because it's just brutal to do it inside the shop. And but it's going to be like plus 30 C the rest of the week, so hopefully we can get back at this here soon. But just a quick shop update, nothing really going on, and Dad's just got some side quests here. So still on plan to have this done by the end of June, and other guys are already calling us in for work that they want, which is fine. But I tell everybody the same thing: first come, first serve. You got to be in the yard. And yeah, so not too much of an exciting day here. Still got to move a bunch of these parts out of the shop as well. Want to get more housekeeping done. Dad installed a new used filing cabinet for all the dog treats, so that's where all the dog treats are kept now. And yeah, got to think of some tasks here for Koop to keep him around busy. And but yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry, there's not too much else on the go. My Filipino Emily showed up for her treats, and Charles in charge is over here eating his. He was howling back in the bush. He got lost behind the... Yeah, oh my God, it was horrible, eh? Got lost behind the trailer. I have to go and find him there. Okay, come on and eat your treat. Oh, Emily's eating your treats. Come on.